What's up, everybody? I'm in Canada this weekend, more specifically Montreal, for the Afro Dancehall Roots Camp. So it's 2 days, Saturday, Sunday. Today, like I said, it's Saturday. Just had a workshop. Now going back to the hotel, freshening up and getting ready for the battle this evening.
Yes, Canada. It's my first time in Canada and also my first time battling overseas. So it's the Afro Dancehall Roots Camp organized by Afro House Montreal and Montreal Dancehall Sessions. I think, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, it's their third edition, but it's the first time that they're including dancehall in this event. I only discovered the event actually a couple of weeks before it took place. I saw it on Instagram and I was like, let me quickly check if there are reasonable flights from Belgium to Canada, and as it appeared to be, there was a considerably cheap flight back and forth to Montreal from Belgium. The event takes place at DTJIC Studio, where we have both the workshops and the battles.
Okay, so I quickly stopped at the store to get lunch basically, and now heading to the hotel to eat it, and then we'll be taking up, One of the things that I've discovered here while shopping in Montreal is this here. It's called Original Bagel. Let me check. Original Bagel Rich. So I think it's bagel sandwich. Yeah, and it's actually really great. Like, even without anything with it, it has a really great flavor. I could basically eat it all day. Yeah, so that's one of the discoveries of coming to Canada. And we are back on the way to the venue, the dance studio, for the battle. Got my coffee. Let's go.
On veut voir la réponse. Interrogatoire.
So just checked out of the hotel. Really was struggling with fitting everything in my bag, and that's actually because I just bought too much food this morning that I wanted to have for lunch, for dinner, so that doesn't all fit in my bag. So I had to resolve to tying it to my bag and so on to carry everything with me.
And just like that, another event comes to an end, another trip comes to a close. It was a really great event. It was well organized, very nice people. They gave me a really warm welcome. Here you can see a picture of Mars and me, one of the teachers and also one of the people who competed in the battles and who I battled against in the semi-finals. So overall, a really great trip, and I really want to come back soon, maybe for the next edition of this event. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. In the comments, let me know what you like about Canada, or maybe specifically Montreal. You can also subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Kobo out.